Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on crypto.com. For that, you need to come to crypto.com and then you just have to simply log into your account. Now, if you don't have your account on crypto.com, then I will put my referral link down in the description. And if you use my referral link to create your account on crypto.com, you will get 35 USD into it as a bonus. So once you have successfully created your account and verify your identity on crypto.com, the homepage or the interface of this app will look something like this. Here in the favorite section, you will be able to see Bitcoin. So you need to tap on Bitcoin and then you will be able to see its current price as well as its current chart. So you just have to tap on buy BTC in the bottom. Then it will show you the buy cryptocurrency option in the bottom. So over here you just have to enter the amount that you want to spend in order to purchase BTC or Bitcoin. You can use these presets or you can even enter your own amount. You can even select whether you want to make this transaction as one time or you want to make it recurring. If you want to set any target price for BTC, then you can even do that by tapping on the target price option. But let's say you want to purchase a Bitcoin at this price for 500 worth. So after selecting it, you will be able to see Google Pay or Apple Pay as per your device. So if you want to add any other payment method, so you need to tap on add payment method, and now you can choose between credit or debit card and the EUR wallet. So if you have selected the credit and debit card, then you need to make sure that you need to bear the 2.99% fee. So let's say I have selected the credit and the debit card option. So after tapping on it, it will redirect you on this page where you need to provide your card details like your card number, its expiration date, CVV, your first name and your last name, and you just have to tap on the add card button in order to add it. You need to make sure that you will see a 0.10 USD authentication hold that will appear on your statement. You won't be charged for this. So after adding your payment method, you just have to tap on the buy button in the bottom, and after tapping on buy, you will be landed on the next page where you just have to simply conclude your payment on crypto.com, and this way you will be able to get BTC in your account. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.